Façade gommage projects ultrafine dry powder onto the areas to be cleaned, dispersing them under low pressure across the surface. The powder is very light but sharp and has enough mass and energy to cut through the dirt but without affecting the stone in any way. The lack of scaffold minimizes associated safety issues. By using a cabin, the surrounding area is kept safe and clean for passing pedestrians and building occupants, which makes the system extremely popular with financial institutions, private residences and commercial properties alike. The only requirement for façade gommage is that windows are closed and taped at the commencement of works to prevent the ingress of dust. Thomann-Hanry can work around the working schedules and opening times of security-sensitive institutions such as banks. The cabin is manned by a single operative and covers a small area of the façade at any given time, with no need for access to internal areas. Façade gommage, the award-winning way to protect the past.